Watch carefully, this goes really fast. Start with some hot coconut oil or butter in a pan, and you're just gonna add in strips of tofu. And you can easily use chicken here, you can use shrimp, you can use pork, you can use whatever you want. We're just gonna let these get brown with a couple mushrooms just for a couple minutes. Pressed or super firm tofu works best in something like this. It's a little firmer, it's got a great texture, and it stands up really well to the stir fry. Look at those beautiful things, getting some nice color already. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Those are nicely browned. I'm gonna put those onto a plate. 2 eggs go in, and just give those a quick scramble. Okay, that was a 15-second job. Those go onto the plate too. In goes half an onion, half a bell pepper. You could use carrot here too, but I ran out of that. And I use a little bit of broccoli here because I had a little leftover stems. These go great in this. My heat's on high. I'm just gonna give these a quick 3-minute saute. Leftover rice, mine has a little peas in it. I like leftover when it's cold and reheats really nice like this, but you can definitely use fresh rice if you want. Let's throw a handful of that. A little garlic and a little ginger, about the same size, through. I'm gonna go ahead and add back my proteins. Tablespoon of soy. 1 or 2 teaspoons sesame oil. Optional, I think it's really delicious. Hoisin, 1 or 2 teaspoons. Damn, I wish you could smell this right now. This smells fantastic. A little nutty, just bright, beautiful flavor. I've had the camera filming the whole time, and it's been 8 minutes and 31 seconds. And here, I can stir through just a little bit of green onion for a little bit more pop, a little flavor, a little color, and that's good to go. Enjoy.